Hi. What I'm doing here is using a tap to make the threads in the base plate, and I'll just show you now. This is an M4 size, so I've drilled out the holes after measuring the distances from here down to the baseline for these two holes, and we have 3 holes altogether. So this Solotech device goes on with one screw at the top, which is just a locator, and you then have a larger area there to put it on, like that, and then it clamps down, or should do. It's not clamping down. So we have to try again. Oh, I think the screw is too far in. Now it's clamped down. So we have to lock that screw with a nut. There's an M4 nut going on the back. There we are, nice and tight, or nice and snug. Good. Finally did that little part. So these 2 other screws now should line up with the holes I've drilled and tapped already. So let's try them out. That is one. I drilled this plastic box from Solotech to give more flexibility for the mounting, and I think that policy has paid dividends, because the 2 screws have come out just right. I don't know if you can see them there, the one coming through. And here there's another one. Good. Solotech is mounted. Circuit breaker tray is mounted. Next item to mount is Den rail. This was a great invention. I'll show you later how exactly it's adapted to many thousands of installations of control panels in the world. You select the length of rail you require to mount your components for your control system. Then you cut it, measure it up, and after that simply clip on all your switchgear. Relays, contactors, fuses. So here we are. This is a contactor. There we are, it's clipped. This is a fuse. Right, those are on. Next is circuit breakers. Two circuit breakers are required. They do not fit on DIN rail. You can buy them to fit on DIN rail. So we're putting them on what's known as semi-tray. So now we have most of the components on the control panel. Contact to isolate Zesco generator set supply if there's a problem on overload. This will protect all your computers if there's a voltage problem. This will protect all your computers if there's a short circuit. Time for another tea break.